So, in the Cuckoo's Clock live stream, I talked about this bracket. This holds the pendulum leader. It's basically like an older replacement for a suspension spring. And I told in the stream that it was worn out. As you can see, there it's always rubbing about the attachment point to the clock. There's a little like hole that's worn out from always going back and forth. And while it might still work like this, it's not going to take long before it breaks, and it causes an awful lot of friction that is unnecessary. So I am going to make a new one. So I found some steel wire that is 1 millimeter, which is the same size, and yeah, I'm going to, like, I straightened it straight enough, and I'm going to use one of those a round nose plier to like get the two rings and then get the rest of the shape. The shape isn't super important. Most important thing is getting something of the right length, like from here to there. That's the most important bit. But I kind of want to make something nice of it. So yeah, let's get started. I think if I do it around here, that should be fine. So, yeah, that seems about right. Let's straighten that up. Now, it is time to do what we call breaking the neck. To straighten it out. Let's break the neck a bit more. Tiny bit more. So now, let's see. Let's compare it a bit. Okay, now we need to have our turn that. So let me double check real quick. Yep, that's about right. Okay, now getting a little difficult because but we'll get there. Need to make it a bit bigger. Yep. Okay, that looks fine. Oh, let's cut it. Now let's break the neck on this one. Nope. That was not what I wanted to do. Okay. Now, so yeah, now I just need a pliers to get this off. And then, yeah, that's a new bracket. So where is the old one? Shiny new one, and then the old one. Okay, that's that done. So yeah, next video will probably be the Cuckoo's clock running. See you then.